I'm finally building my bed. Okay, so don't judge me. I know you guys have been telling me to build my bed, like my friends, because they know I've like moved in here months ago, back in like end of July, and it's what, March now? It's gonna be almost a year in like 4 months. Yeah, so like I'm sorry, I'm lazy, right? Okay. I don't know why I'm getting riled up.
Stop it. Get some help.
It's funny because you would think I didn't have a bed frame or like something when I moved in, but I got it the very first day. Very first day I moved in, so I mean, it's technically the second day if you get your bed frames, and it at like 1 a.m. in the morning. So there's that, and I'm kind of traumatized from that event, and I would not like to talk about it. Yeah.
1 minute later.
Anyways, I want to say fuck IKEA for making a bajillion parts. Why can't, I don't know, they come up with some simple building method, or like, I don't know, simple furniture.
Well, who thought? Who in their department told that, wait, it's gonna be a great idea to come up with, like, I don't know, DIY project for everyone. That would be fun, everyone's gonna be into that, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what was going on in their mind, and I'm losing it.
I'm literally losing it. I guess this is why I postponed everything. Like, I got really lazy and didn't want to do anything, because I know it's gonna be really, I don't know, lengthy process. I don't know how many hours it's gonna take to build it.
A few moments later.
It's funny because I flipped my whole apartment like 4 or 5 days ago, and I wanted to build the bed, right?
But I didn't.
Anyways, yeah. Let's see how long I take to build it. Speedrun. So I'm basically putting these, I think they're called tile carpets. They're for preventing furniture marks on the floor. They're from Nitori. This is where I'll be putting down the bed. Like, it's not gonna be this small. My bed's like a double something. So, yeah. So, I will be, I don't know, rearranging the carpets. I don't know how much space like I can leave out in the middle, because I don't have too many tile carpets. Let's see. So this is the first part. My back hurts already. And this is the second part. All you can see is my fluffy slippers.
3 feet big? I don't think so.
This is so complicated. I'm having to wear socks because working in slippers, and especially fluffy slippers, not the ideal when you're doing handiwork. So yeah, for you nasties out there, I'm having to wear socks. So it came with hammer and stuff. Yeah. It's a good thing that this thing is secondhand, because some of the screws are already in there. I don't know if it's gonna be a safe option though. What if it breaks? I guess I got the first bit done. Okay, no, that side got loose. Never mind. So I basically did this right now, and I'm gonna be doing this, which is already done, I'm assuming. So that's a bad thing, right? Yeah, that is a bad thing. I guess I will unscrew it again, because yeah, not me realizing stupid mistakes. It won't even come out now. I guess I just screw it a bit tighter. Maybe. This bed's definitely breaking. I think a secondary toolkit or working area camera would be fun, so I'll set my other tripod. Hello! That's where I kept my phone. Like, it's my doors. Like, it's on a fucking tape. You guys can see how much of a mess I have. But do you guys care? I don't think so. Yeah, good. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, I'm literally squatting. I'm kind of blind. I need to tie my hair. It literally won't get it. I did it. Yeah, now I need to screw this thingy. Hold on. It says just screw right. Yeah. I'm strong. I'm a strong lady. I'm supposed to be fitting this here, I'm assuming. They won't fit. Are you kidding? So I'm gonna flip the bed now and hope I don't break anything around the house. That's the most important part. Not me hurting myself, just breaking around the house. I don't want that. Let's go. Yahoo! Can I do it? Let's see. This is taller than me. How am I gonna do it? I don't know. I'm strong. Don't get me wrong, I'm strong. I'm just short. Why am I not tall? Why am I not tall? Why am I so short? IKEA told me that I would need 2 people to build a bed, but yeah, I'm a strong, independent woman who can build her own bed, and I hope I don't get hurt. Yeah. I finished that part. I did the same thing again, basically, but reversed it. You can see the bed. So yeah, the other part. Well, I'm so tired. Like, I'm not tired. I could keep working, but I'm like, my back hurts so much. I've always had problems with backache and yeah, backache basically, shoulder hurting and stuff. So this way. Okay. I don't want noise complaints. It has a lot of flipping to do, which is so inconvenient. I hate it. Oh well, we'll finish it today. I don't know when I started. I don't even know what the time is now. I'm never, ever getting an IKEA furniture. That, bro. I'm done. Like, I'm not done building. Almost there. I'm done with the frame and everything, but I'm done with this.
For a small person like me, making an IKEA bed, which is this complicated, kind of a flex.
I don't care.
Just hoping the bed doesn't break at one point, you know. Since I made it, I don't really trust myself. I have trust issues with myself. Yeah. So the frame is done. Now I need to work on the mattress part, the middle part. Yeah, so it's basically like this. It takes up I would say 70% of the room space, but yeah. It's been 3 hours. 3 hours. And my hair's a mess. Update is almost done with the bed. My back's killing me, and yeah, that's about it, I guess. I'm losing my mind, but I'm excited to sleep on the bed for once.
I mean, I've slept on beds, like, not even less than a month ago, so.
Yeah. I just decided to include time lapses instead of like
me talking and like going through the process together, because
I don't think you guys will watch the whole thing, honestly. You guys are just gonna click, skim it through and be like,
wow, that's a great bed. You did a great job.
I guess. Well, I appreciate you guys, but yeah, I guess that's what's gonna happen. Yeah. So I will film more like of the time lapses and stuff. I don't know, I could like build and share stories and whatnot, but
Maybe next time.
sometimes I really wonder if some things are worth it or not. Now is one of those moments. Will it be worth it? Will I lose my shit again once I have to disassemble the bed while moving out? I don't know. Last bit of screwing and then I'm done, I guess. Can you tell I'm dying? I'm literally dying. And I got, I don't know, cuts, not really cuts, like paper cuts, but they're not from paper. Well, I hope I don't get infected or something. Do you guys mind if I don't make like a time lapse for the last bit? Like, I need to screw these. I mean, yeah, that's what I'll be doing, and then I'll film the ending. Yeah. Okay, I guess it's finally done. I'll put on the wooden strips and the mattress on, and yeah. Okay. Yep. It's a huge mattress. Almost done. Oh my god, I finally have a bed. So here comes the reveal. Dun 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 dun. Oops, my finger. Yep. Huge as bed just for me, yeah. It'd be like that.